A straight line can be drawn from the earliest days of the Internet, when it first demonstrated its ability to connect people to the current era, where it is no longer just people, but devices, applications, and all manner of other things that are connected in this way. Such connections, of course, mean that every one of these things is transmitting information to and fro, creating a vast reservoir of data. In a connected world, this big data is much more than just a byproduct. It can, in fact, be the facilitator of significant improvements in safety, security, efficiency, and service delivery, depending on how the data is mined and interrogated. And this is where the Internet of Things, IoT, comes into being. Altron understands that in this data-driven era, companies have access to more information than they've ever had before, catalyzed by the growth and availability of smart mobile devices and wireless communication protocols. We can help by applying data science and machine learning methods to this data, thereby enabling users to gain deeper insights from the data than they were ever able to before, and allow them to do so in real time as well. This means they can immediately change their approach, direction, or strategy based on this new information as they receive it. Altron's NetStar has always been a pioneer in stolen vehicle tracking and recovery, using IoT solutions to deliver cutting-edge advancements in this arena. But this is only one aspect of what Altron can provide. When it comes to real-time information, our insurance telematics solutions allow us to obtain data related to things like frequency and time of travel, location, distance, speed, harsh braking and acceleration, cornering, rapid lane changes, and impact detection. This highly granular data is collected and converted into driver behavior scores, which are accessible to both the driver and the insurer. The latter, of course, can use this information to tailor an insurance package to suit the particular individual and provide a means to promote safer driving habits. But such data is useful in more ways than one. Telemetry data around something like harsh braking, for example, can be used to determine potentially dangerous parts of the road, while other similar data can help to determine traffic incidents and assist with the dispatching of teams for incident management. Such data is also useful in accident reconstruction scenarios and can definitely assist incident investigators in more accurately depicting the circumstances of the event, and with advances in predictive analysis, even lead to preventing an accident in the first place. So all of this should make it clear just how we can utilize big data and analytics to make an individual and their vehicles safer. But this in itself is little more than the tip of the iceberg. Imagine instead using this technology to make your entire city safe. A safe city framework that offers solutions encompassing command and control, surveillance and reconnaissance, communications, cloud and intelligence, and computer-aided dispatch. Further, it also includes Tetra and trunked LTE communication, video, cloud and big data, analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, video surveillance, and IoT-based sensors and meters. These IoT-based solutions are designed around the 7-layer World IoT Reference Framework, with value-based services to end customers. These services include gunshot detection, crowd management, weather warnings, intelligent traffic management, facial recognition, number plate recognition, and many others. And this safe city will obviously also be smart. We are aware that from a municipal perspective, there is a continual need to improve the efficiency and quality of services delivered to citizens. This means not only complying with applicable legislation, but also digitizing infrastructure and workflows. After all, a smart city is one that introduces the changes just detailed in order to obtain productivity gains, reduce costs, and increase process efficiencies, as well as to improve the customer experience and the quality of services, while dramatically lowering the cost of delivery. With the installation of smart water and electricity meters at consumers and within network junctions, it will be possible to detect things such as consumption, unauthorized usage, water leaks, transformer overloads, and unsafe conditions in real time. This will enable municipalities to proactively dispatch teams to maintain and repair infrastructure even before citizens call to report a problem, and so increase service delivery. In addition, it must be remembered that it is not only cities that can benefit from smart IoT-focused technologies, but also entire industries. The so-called industrial IoT is all about creating smart factories through automation and by bringing together modern cloud computing and artificial intelligence to create intelligent, self-optimizing industrial facilities and equipment. Linking the factory to smart products with the ability to provide real-time data interchange back to the factory will increase the speed of design improvement, as a bigger sample size will provide better information and real-time feedback will illuminate failures earlier in the process. If the product has the ability to self-rectify, this will just add to its life and the customer experience. What sets the industrial IoT apart is that its applications connect machines, vehicles, and devices in such industries as oil and gas, mining, agriculture, utilities, and manufacturing. In these sectors, any failure of or downtime for a system can result in high-risk or even life-threatening situations. Essentially, industrial IoT incorporates machine learning and big data solutions into industries to help capture data provided by the sensors, machine-to-machine communication, and automation technologies that have existed in these industrial arenas for some time already. This data is key to enabling organizations to rapidly and easily identify inefficiencies and potential problems within their processes. This, in turn, saves both time and money, while at the same time supporting the enterprise's broader business intelligence efforts. In manufacturing specifically, industrial IoT holds great potential for quality control, sustainable and green practices, supply chain traceability, and overall supply chain efficiency. Other benefits include asset tracking, whereby one can use asset management systems to track the location, status, and condition of products through the supply chain. Enhance customer satisfaction, achieved through deep analysis of the data around how customers use specific products, thereby crafting more customer-centric product roadmaps. And improve facilities management by monitoring vibrations, temperature, and other factors that might lead to operating conditions that are less than optimal. In much the same way as IoT can be industrialized, so too can it be used for more basic services, such as providing support to the multitude of self-service machines in the market today, including ATMs, kiosks, and mobile payment facilities. Here, IoT offers you the promise of both improved security and predictive maintenance, whereby sensors are added to these self-service devices with the aim of monitoring specific critical issues, including raising an alarm when someone is trying to tamper with a machine. More crucially, the sensors can warn you about the aspects such as humidity, climate control, vibration, and noise. By providing early warning that the temperature of the machine or the cargo being carried is too high or too low, or that some part within it may be defective, it becomes possible to offer proactive and preventative maintenance as part of the service. Looking at all of this, it is clear that IoT offers enormous potential to the world of business and industry. As a leader in this space, Altron will be there every step of the way, not only maintaining and optimizing your existing IoT equipment, but also designing solutions for your future IoT needs. We see our role as one where we help our clients to make the most of this technology, along with the solutions and applications that enable these new, more efficient, safe, secure, cost-effective ways of working.